BAII. The grammar of BAII is mean should, can, or it would be good if ... something. So, how to use the grammar of BAII? In Japanese, they will use the grammar of ba. Like you should change the verb to be the ba form. For example, nakereba, something like this, or sureba, something like this. And you end by e. E is mean good or something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of BAII, let's see some sample together. The first sample, どうすればいいですか? どうすればいいですか? Which means, what should I do? So in this sentence, you will see that they change the verb of する. So the word する you change to be ba form. You can change like すれば. So followed by いいですか? どうすればいいですか? Which means, what should I do? What should I do to be good? Right, something like this. The next, どこに行けばいいですか? どこに行けばいいですか? Which means, where should I go? Where should I go? The next example, 私は何を言えばいいわからない。私は何を言えばいいかわからない。Which means, I'm not sure what I should say. I'm not sure what I should say. 何を歌えばいいですか? 何を歌えばいいですか? What song? What should I sing? Or what song should I sing? You can translate like this. When you don't know how to sing a song, so you want somebody to advise you. So you can say, 何を歌えばいいですか? Something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。